what is a certified sex therapist? Many people aren't very clear on what this is. So the reality is a certified sex therapist is going to be a mental health professional who already has a master's or a PhD level in providing therapy services. So this could be your psychologist, your clinical social worker, your licensed marriage and family therapist like me, and even your licensed practicing clinical counselors. Now, you do have to have that master's degree and already be licensed before you can become a certified sex therapist. Once you have those, then you go through a process of accumulating 30 hours of education around sexuality issues. And you get supervision from someone who is approved to give supervision, which is about a 2-year process before you can become a certified sex therapist. The credentialing board that decides who is qualified to be a sex therapist is the American Association of Sexuality Educators, Counselors, and Therapists. They also credential people who are educators and counselors. And the sect that I am in is the sex therapists. And we are just typical talk therapists who are going to talk to you and have more expertise around sexuality. Common issues that come into my office around sexuality are desire discrepancy. One person has higher desire, one person has lower desire. Though if you've listened to me speak before, oftentimes it's not actually a desire issue, but this is how it presents. Sexual pain disorders for women and some erectile dysfunction issues for men. I also sometimes work with sexual compulsivity issues, though recently I will not take on as many people in this particular area because it's very complicated, and there are other therapists who really enjoy this area. So that is what a sex therapist does. We are just talk therapists. I have been asked the questions before, do you do physical things in your office? No, we don't. None of us do. It's like going into any other therapist that you might see. You sit on a couch, I sit on the other side, and we talk about how to help you have positive sexuality and explore and understand and feel confident and comfortable in who you are sexually. And that usually includes some education around sexuality, what's normal, what's not normal, how do I embody, how to understand how to have sexual pleasure, which is oftentimes looking at some exercises that we talk through, or actually even outside of sessions, paying attention to your body and what turns on or turns off sexual desire. A lot of what I do too is helping people navigate through shame. The reality is that many of us have sexual shame. Interestingly enough, today I was doing a consultation and I was talking to the new client coming in, and I said, in my 15 years of work, I have had 3 people come in with positive sexual messaging. Most of us don't know how to talk about sex, or it's uncomfortable, or we've gotten shame messages. So the field of sexuality is to help you feel more confident